In primetime news this evening, new variant recorded in Jamaica. Health Ministry announces multiple cases of the more transmissible COVID strain. Children of COVID. Experts say emotional impact could get worse. Part 2 of a TVJ special report. And later, mandatory vaccination for the workplace. Union speaks out as the suggestion grows louder.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts about the Reggae Boys' performance against Costa Rica last night? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.